RIME stock analysis and RIME stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So yeah, Algorhythm Holdings stock. It's interesting, it's 30% up. Like beforehand though, it was, what the hell is this price action? I mean, come on, it's like glitchy, you know. And for the current, I mean, it makes sense to look at it from a weekly chart, but that weekly chart is bearish, so this is why this is pointing towards the downside. By no means am I gonna come out here and just randomly start forcing shorts or whatever, but if push comes the shove and the price gives me the rules and it's really a bearish trend, I guess it's the short side that deserves a little taste, you know. So yeah, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And other than that, man, like, stay tuned. This doesn't mean that I'm like gonna short. No, it's just a bearish bias. I'm only really gonna consider something bullish in this market if we break above 141. See you in the next one.